YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy C212 Wheels, and I'm back with another video. Today, if you can see by the title and thumbnail, I'm gonna be replacing the coolant in my DRZ 400. Got everything I'm gonna need. Got my drain pan, got all my T-handles, my ratchets, my wrenches, sockets, and also too, I got my Allen key set. I'm gonna go ahead and replace my mirror. Got that joker up here. Before we jump into it, I ended up checking my dipstick when I came in today, and there was nothing on it, meaning that when I took that oil out, it wasn't enough in there, and that was probably about 1.5. So I ended up putting that other half quart in there, and it's reading on the dipstick now. So I'm guessing that this bike does take 2. The oil just had to settle down. If not, it was siphoning through the funnel, not allowing air to come out. But I ended up getting that situated. The oil's good. Finna get into this coolant. Yes, sir. So now that I've got that off, I got access to the radiator cap. So I'm gonna go grab a screwdriver, take this off right here, loosen it up, take the cap off so that way the coolant and the air can flow and give a good stream coming out the bottom down here. Doing my research on the maintenance that you should be doing on a motorcycle or dirt bike. Every 2 to 4 years you want to replace your coolant, so that's why I'm doing this. And also just wanting to keep everything tip top on the DRZ. Next, I'm gonna take my 12mm socket and I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off. Next, I'm gonna take this coolant plug, this radiator plug, get my drain pan, my 8mm, take that out, and the coolant should drip out. Be sure to put the drain pan where it needs to go. I'm in here trying to get these shots and it cost me, but everything comes with a price. Willing to pay this one for that. Good lesson learned. You definitely want to have the drain pan where it needs to be. It's a part of the game. Go ahead and tilt this up. Get all that coolant out of there. Oh! Yeah, hold on. Let me go ahead and do right. Pull that back. Bam. Oh yeah. All right, I think that's gonna do it. Move this out the way. Clean while you work, man. All right, boom. So now that I got my area all cleaned up, I went ahead and let my radiator drain out completely. I'm gonna go ahead and put that plug back on, put some new coolant back inside of my bike. And this is already mixed, but you should be able to use any, but I'm going with that engine ice for today. They say you're supposed to run some radiator cleaner or some distilled water through the radiator to clean it all out, but the coolant that came out of there didn't look too bad, too gunky, grimy. And plus it looks like it's the same exact coolant that I'm gonna be running today. If not, it's that X-Star that they use. So I'm gonna get everything put back together, put the bolt back in, put the cap back on, put the cover back on, and we should be good on the coolant chain. Boom, and just like that, I've got the coolant changed in my DRZ, got my plastics back on, filled up to the top, and I don't know if you can see it flowing around in there, but I got a good amount left. You normally gotta buy stuff like this online. If not, it comes in a smaller container than this, but I got this from Wally World, about 18, 20 bucks after tax, so I think this is a good bang for your buck. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get to working on this mirror, get that installed, and we should be good. Boom. And just like that, man, I went ahead and got my mirror back on, back in business, squeaky clean. Yeah, the other one ain't even click like these. Ooh. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna have to do some riding to go ahead and get that adjusted to where I want it. So now that I've got my mirror done, I've got my coolant changed and my oil changed, I'm slowly checking things off of the list. Next thing, I'm gonna have to get this back tire taken off, replaced. Probably gonna do that next video. Change my chain and sprocket, and then we're gonna be good to ride. Once it starts warming up, that's the only thing we got to wait on. So with that being said, if you made it to the end of today's video, I appreciate you for watching. Till next time, peace, love, safety, more life to you all. You dig?